Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a line graph in Google Sheets. So if you have your data in your Google Sheet document and you want to create a line graph from that, that's very easy to do. And I recommend that you just simply go ahead and highlight the content here on the graph. So once you highlight the cells that has the data that you wish to create the graph for, all you have to do is now go ahead and click on insert at the top there, and here you want to go ahead and click on charts. You have some multiple things, but go ahead and click on charts, and then from here it will automatically choose something like a pie chart for you. But to change this to a line graph, click where it says chart type, click the drop down there, and you will find many options. So one there, it's saying line graph or line chart, and you have other lines that you can choose from as well. So these are different kind of lines and so forth, but you can just choose the one that you want. So in this case, I'm going to stick to the basic line chart, select this one, and that's it. You see that it now creates that line chart for me. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a line graph chart in your Google Sheets document. Very easy and very simple.